piece of paper. I'm going to tape down to the table, and so it doesn't move, okay? Put a little masking tape there. And then, this is only so that the marker doesn't bleed through the next paper. Then we're going to get some grid paper. Can you see that? This is just your regular grid paper that you would get at a Hobby Lobby or a Walmart or Target. Nothing too special, but it's in perfect squares. So we're going to take a page out of that, put that to the side, and we're going to tape this down as well, okay? So get your piece of tape. And that's so this page doesn't move. I'm gonna actually do the bottom as well, just to keep it nice and flat. Okay. And next, we're gonna get our regular piece of paper, our drawing paper. Now we're gonna put it on top of the grid paper so you can see the squares. I don't know if you can see it on the camera here, but you can see through this white piece of paper to the squares behind it, okay? So lay down that piece of paper, and we're gonna tape down this paper now, okay? And that's so it doesn't move. So everything kind of stays in its place. Alrighty. And to see the squares underneath, sometimes you have to press down. But like I said, we're gonna draw a vintage Mario video game character. And they used to make these video games using just small little squares. So I think these are kind of cool. So let's start here with red. Everyone get a red marker. And we're gonna do Mario's hat, okay? So I'm gonna find, we'll put Mario kind of right here in the center and see the squares. So I'm gonna count, 6 squares, and I'm gonna trace them in red. So sometimes it's hard to see, but we'll see how it goes. 1, 2, 3, 6, okay. We're just tracing these squares. Now we're going to come over on the square below, and we're going to go 4 squares over. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And come down, and come down, and connect, following the squares, following the grid underneath. Okay. And let's color that in our red. And you kids that play video games today on your Nintendo Switches or Xbox, you're gonna laugh at this, but I grew up with these old Nintendo games, and they're just something that's really fun and cool about the old way of these video games were made. And I know your parents will understand, probably more than you. Okay, so we colored in 6 squares and then followed underneath 4 squares over. Okay, so we're gonna now get a dark brown marker. See if I can find the best dark brown for us here. Yeah, that's a good one. Okay, and we're gonna do 4 squares just underneath here. We're gonna go down, 1, 2, 3, 4, and up. Okay, we'll connect those, color them in. So this is brown. This is kind of this will be Mario's hair, the start to Mario's hair. And then over here, we'll do a square over. And then we're going to do 3 down. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I know I'm counting. You can't really see the the squares under, but on your own paper, you will be able to see it. Okay, and then we'll do one square over here. Alrighty, so we're gonna connect kind of an L shape. So follow these squares over like that, and we'll fill this in with brown as well. Okay, so that's kind of Mario's hair, and you're gonna laugh like, what? I can't even tell what it is, but you'll see it in a minute. So now we're gonna put our brown marker away for a minute, and we're gonna get kind of this yellow, brownish kind of skin color, and we're gonna go down one square here. Okay, and then I'm gonna go. I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3. Come down right there. And then I'm going to follow these squares over 3, just line them up with a hat, come down a square, over a square, down, and over. Okay. Down, over. We're just following these squares. So it's so easy about it. Now we're going to go all the way over and connect. Here we go. Okay, there's his face. I'm going to put this away for a minute. I'm going to get my black. And this is where we draw Mario's eye and mustache, old school way. So we're going to count over one square here and come down. 1, 2, over, up. Okay. This is supposed to be Mario's eye in the old 8-bit pixel video game. And his mustache and mouth will go down a square, over, down, and we're gonna go over, down. I'm gonna draw over that yellow. We're gonna connect. So there's his mustache / mouth area. Color that in black. Alrighty, looking good. You can start to see Mario take shape, right? Okay, so we're gonna get the red back and start to do his shirt and suspenders here. So we're gonna come down off of his face and go over one, down, over, down. We're just following the squares, over, down. So it's just following the grid, obviously. We'll go over 2. So we'll go 1, 2. Over and all the way up. Okay, so this is his red sleeve over here. Color that in. Cool. And then we'll leave a space right here because that's going to be a blue suspender. And I'm going to do a red, come down 2 blocks. That's what we'll call them. We'll call them blocks. Go over 2 blocks. Go up, over, down, down. And then we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. still continuing with the red here. So we're going to copy this side. We're going to go 1, 2, 3 blocks. Kind of mimic this side over here. Hopefully my head's not in the way of the camera. I apologize if my hair is showing. There's 3, and then we'll do 4 down here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Color those in. And we have that one block right there, so color that in. Alrighty. So now we get to draw or color in Mario's blue suspenders, and I'm going to get this deep blue color, this marker, and we're going to just color in right here. I'm going to trace these blocks. Okay, we're going to leave this block right here white. We're not going to color that in, and we're not going to color this block in. Those are going to stay white. Those are going to be Mario's buckles, suspender buckles. This is a dark blue. This might be a little dark, but you can choose whatever blue works for you. Bring the line over. It's easy just to draw these squares in. I'll be honest with you, it's kind of hard to see my grid through my paper, so maybe my paper's a little thick. When you're selecting the paper you want, that you prefer, that's just something to consider, getting a thinner piece for you. Alright, so we're going to color this row of blocks right now. Blue. And then we're going to do another row underneath blue. So pop that one over, down, come over, down, connect that row of blocks. Okay, and we're going to color that blue. Cool. Now we're going to do his legs, so we're going to go down one row and over 3. 1, 2, 3. Color that row in. Same thing over here, we're going to go down and over 1, 2, 3. Starting to take shape. Awesome, looks good. Okay, so let's get our yellow skin color again, this same color we had before. We're going to do the hands, and they are going to connect from the bottom of this red. We'll go 1, 2, 3. Okay, and over here we'll do another 1, 2, 3. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. Connect over to the blue. We'll do 1, 2, 3. Connect over to the blue. And we'll fill those in now, just so you can see what we're doing here. If you don't know what we're doing, if you don't know what this Mario character is, go ask someone who's like 45 years old or 40 years old, and they'll teach you. Okay, let's get our brown again. We're going to go back to the brown, the same color we used for this hair, and we're going to do Mario's boots, and this is the last part. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3 blocks. Okay, here we go. I'm going to color that row in brown. We're going to do the same on this side. We're going to go 1, 2, 3. Draw those squares. Fill them in with brown. Okay, and then the bottom of the boot, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2,